XGT is the brand new 40-volt platform from Makita. This is a single battery platform featuring a whole new range of power tools. Even though the new batteries have a larger output, when you hold them in hand side by side with the 18-volt existing batteries, they're a similar size and weight. As are the new tools, a similar weight to the existing 18-volt tools, but using them is a very different experience. The new XGT grinder has seriously more power, cutting this rebar 4 seconds faster than the LXT equivalent. Drilling 20 by 100mm holes, the XGT rotary hammer did it in almost half the time. And the new Recipro is really impressive. 45% faster cutting the plywood, a similar result cutting stainless steel tube. The new XGT driver drill is really impressive. It's beefy, it's packed full of features. And the brand new XGT circular saw was ripping 46mm hardwood with ease. Between all these new tools and the new XGT Impact, there is so much to talk about. Now with the batteries, they're available in a 2.5 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. Features include better protection around the terminals internally, better shock protection, and an even beefier mount for industrial use. Even though there are larger output batteries, they're comparable to the LXT batteries in terms of weight and size. They're not huge, they're not heavy, they're not a burden to use. With the new batteries comes a new rapid charger. Now this charger will fully charge the new 4 amp hour battery in just 45 minutes. A great little feature is it's got a practical charge indicator, so you'll know when the battery is 80% charged, you can whip it out, finish off the job you're doing and get yourself off site. Now this is the LXT adapter. That'll allow you to charge a 6 amp hour 18-volt battery in just 40 minutes. With the new XGT platform, you can expect plenty of performance as well as an improved user experience. But it's not the end of the LXT range at all. There's going to be plenty of new tools coming out in both the XGT and the LXT in the near future. So make sure you stay tuned to Sydney Tools TV for all the latest news. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching.